In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize invoices, quotes, purchase orders, and receipts in Xero, 5 minutes. Start by logging into your Xero account from the dashboard, open sales in the main menu, then choose sales settings. On the sales settings page, go to invoice settings. This is where you set up a branding theme. Use the new branding theme arrow and choose standard to create a fresh theme, or open an existing one if you already have a style you want to refine. In the branding section, upload a clear, high-resolution logo, pick the alignment that suits your layout, and choose to display your tax number if you need it to appear on customer documents. Keeping your logo crisp and your tax registration visible helps with professionalism and compliance. Next, move to details. Add your contact information, define your payment terms, and include any payment advice customers need, such as where to send payment and what reference to use. Keep the message short and consistent because it appears on every invoice and in related emails. Under fields, decide exactly what your customers should see. Toggle columns like unit price, quantity, and tax so the document matches the level of detail you want to share. If you invoice items with different tax rates, showing the tax column can reduce confusion. If you price by project or fixed fees, you might hide unit price and focus on descriptions and totals. Open layout to set the page size, margins, and measurement units. Choose A4 or US letter based on what your customers will print, and leave enough margin so headers and footers never get cut off. Measurement units only affect the document layout here, not the units you use for your items. When you're happy, save your changes and use Preview with real data to check spacing, wrapping, and how long descriptions look on a real invoice. Adjust and save again until the preview looks right. The same approach applies to quotes, purchase orders, and receipts. Xero lets you use the same branding themes across these documents. When you set up or edit a theme, select the relevant document type so the style carries over. For purchase orders, customize the layout, set a unique order number format if you use one, and tailor the email template that sends with the order. For receipts, use the same branding theme settings or switch to docx options if you need advanced pixel-precise formatting. Save and preview with real data, and you're done.